Installation of EGATE-PRO gateway via wired LAN in ENGO Smart application. On the mobile device, make sure that the ENGO Smart app has access to the permissions, location, Bluetooth, nearby devices. To proceed with adding a device, enable the following on your phone: Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, the same as the device you are adding, and location. Launch the ENGO Smart application. Connect the gateway to power and wired LAN. On the gateway, the blue LED should be on continuously, and the red LED should flash slowly, about 1 time every 2 seconds. If this does not happen and the red LED flashes quickly, about 2 times per 1 second, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. If the blue LED is on continuously and the red LED flashes slowly, about 1 time per 2 seconds, proceed to pairing with the application. In the application, select Add Devices. When the gateway is found, click Add. Wait for the application to configure the Internet gateway. Name the device, add the device location, and click Done. By going into the gateway settings, you can change the photo, name, and location. The gateway has been successfully installed and is visible in the application. Red LED is lit on the gateway, which indicates connection to the cloud and LAN. The device is ready for operation. You can add more ZigBee devices to the network. Quick installation, easy pairing, simple control. Easily overcomes a reinforced concrete ceiling or several partition walls. Convenient operation in the ENGO Smart app. Easily added to your home ZigBee network. Offline operation possible. ENGO, control and save simply.